Wave. Dinner. Tama yan. Kumain na kayo dinner, guys. Elsa. Elsa, is that you? Elsa? Yes, Gail Sanico 12. See you sa solo concert. See you October 4. Sa mga bagong pasok dyan, sa mga di pa nakakaalam, BGYO first ever concert ay gaganapin sa New Frontier Theater on October 4. So, if free kayo that time, I think it's on a Sunday. Free kayo that time, come join us. First ever concert namin to. It's gonna be fun. Aces, sino dito ang ticket secured? Sino dito ang ticket secured? Saturday. I'm sorry. Saturday pala. Wonder Jams, ticket secured. Annie Bells, ticket secured. Atalani, ticket secured. Ay, sayang si Liv hindi makakapunta. Di ba next time? Next time yan. Mai is going from Japan. Damn! Okay. Japan. Thank you, Max. Ganda daw ng headlines. Party song. That's my party song. Anong dress code sa concert? Dress code sa concert ay your best superhero costume. That's the dress code. See you on October 4, the Feel Geeko. What do you mean, Keshi version? SVIPC. Oh, nawala. Cha-cha, Team SVIP. Let's go. See you. Nakita daw ako sa Cotabato, sabi ni Star. G, bias daw ako sa BGYO. Okay. See you. Miki, nakapunta na ba kayo sa Baguio? Yes, Isha. Coming BGYO, we performed there for, I think, Kapamilya Caravan, if I'm not mistaken. That was this year, early this year, or last year? Kind of forgot, pero yeah, it's sobrang solid sa Baguio. I always go there before, yung bata pa ako, every year. But I stopped. It's good to be back. Can't wait sa October 4, sabi ni Dom Sesi. Feel ko may pasabog. Yes. May tawag doon, whatever you call that. When kami babalik Iloilo? So bukas. Sige, balik kami bukas. I'm not sure yet. Syempre, we're busy. Ilang days, weeks na lang before the concert, and we're focused on that. And hindi pa namin alam kailan kami makaka-out of town. So, abang-abang na lang kayo. Malay mo, biglaan sa Iloilo na kami next week. Kung magka-cosplay ako, sinong character ang gagayahin ko? Si Virgil from Devil May Cry. Kasi pares kami buhok ngayon. Yes, sir! Sabi ni Cloud, nakapunta na ba kayo before sa Davao? Yes, we've been to Davao City before. Yeah, we've been. Sana pag nakabalik kami sa Davao, nandun ka. Magpapalit ka na ng hair sa concert. Yes, sa concert magpapa-transparent hair color ako. Nag-dinner. Sino ba ito nagpapa-shoutout na to? Loko ka. Bad yan, uy, bad. Ginagawa ko kayong motivation kaya na honor. Honor student ka, Liv. Congratulations. Ready na mag-fly from Davao si Shang. Okay. See you October 4. Guys, if wala pa kayong ticket, there's still time. There's still like 2 weeks. 2 weeks and a half. Or 3 weeks before our concert. Just go to ticketnet.com.ph. Pindutin nyo dun yung BGYO concert. Buy your tickets na so hindi kayo maunahan ng seats. And see you there at the concert. Daming exciting na mangyayari sa concert. Meron kaming guests sa concert, guys. Aabangan nyo ang guest namin sa concert. Boy group din sila, boy group. May boy group na magpe-perform sa concert namin, guest. Sila yung sobrang galing nila as in singing, dancing, all that. Pero wala pa silang song. Yes. Clue starts with letter A. That's the clue. Next letter is letter M. And then the next letter is letter B. Ang galing nyo naman manghula. Yes, ang Ambon po ay magpe-perform sa concert namin. Mag-release sila ng debut single nila. It's gonna be exciting kasi sila yung mga idol namin dati pa. Sila yung mga iniidola namin. Tsaka nila namin nakuha yung paano sumayaw, paano kumanta, ganon. Abangan yan. Si Coach Jerwin, may sing and dance solo prod pa yan. After mag-perform ng Ambon, may solo prod si Jerwin Nicomedes. Kita-kita tayo sa concert, guys. Aabangan nyo yun. Isang aabangan nyo yun, Ambon. Yes, share the live, Tamasi. My Kira, share the live daw. Yes, share this live para mas dumami pa tayo. And you know, the more the merrier. Napanood nyo na ba yung live performance ng Headlines? I want you to stay. Kung di pa napapanood, meron ng Headlines performance video. And of course, ang dance practice ng Headlines ay lumabas na. Konya Sayas, thank you. Juana, thank you. Ako, Celine, thank you. Thank you for sending rose. Nakakalimutan ko lagi. May nag-send pala. Crispy Pata. Juana, thank you again for the rose. Ang daming sinesend ni Crispy Pata. Ako, Celine, thank you. Ako, Celine. Levi the Hokage. Connie Asayas, Lex Yuno, mga OG, madami mga OG dito. Ako, Celine, Connie Asayas. Ezekiel, the concert is gonna be on October 4. So if you're free, come join us. You can get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Yes, sir. See you at the concert. Buena, thank you. Teen, I am .pretty. Thank you. Levi the Hokage, thank you. Aya, Atlani, thank you. Oh yeah, we will be at the Wish Bus tomorrow at Centris, Eton Centris, 6 p.m. See you there if you have time. Buena, Konya Sayas, thank you. Excited na sa new EP nyo. Excited na rin ako sa new songs. One of my favorite songs ay part ng EP. So, excited! Damn! P-pop clips, thank you. Mickey Boy, thank you. Tin, thank you. Yvonne, thank you. Uuwi ba ako for the concert? What do you mean uuwi? Where are you ba right now? Are you outside the country? Uuwi ka sa Philippines, you mean? Tara na, nood ka na concert. Let's go. October 4, ticketnet.com.ph. You can get your tickets there. Sandurain, thank you. Sengoku. Give a babe. I told you to leave. I told you to leave. Babe. Will you go back to black hair? You know, I was checking my old photos. Sabi ko, nakakamiss yung black hair ko. Pero, I don't think I'll be going back to black hair anytime soon. My scalp is dying, pero, you know, I like the white hair. I like the platinum hair. My hair is platinum, but then nagpa-fade yung kulay niya. That's why it looks like, ano, nagba-blonde, light blonde, whatever siya. As you can see, after a couple of days now, nagpa-fade yung color. I don't know why. I'm using purple shampoo naman and all that. Yeah. Tito Corner, thank you. Mickey, bleaching is the worst actually. I'm good with bleaching. The only thing I don't like about bleaching is it takes so much of my time. It takes so much of my time, you know, waiting para maluto yung buhok ko and all that. Black or dark brown long hair, please. I had that hairstyle before. Check mo. I had super long hair before. Like super. Yeah. Hello, Ja. Nanood ka na ba ng Demon Slayer? Yes! Last night, napanood ko na yung Demon Slayer finally kasi nasa Thailand ata kami nun when the movie was released. I didn't have time in Bangkok to watch Demon Slayer, so sakto, buti na lang I checked the malls kung may Demon Slayer pa. Buti meron pa and I was able to watch with my best friend. So, yeah. Time. Tracy. Tracy. Thank you, Casey, for the rose. Right. Pinapatanong Nate kung ano mga binili mo sa England. Oh, nawala. Ano mga binili ko sa England? I bought 2 bags. So sweet, and you're looking at me. I bought 2 bags sa Birmingham. There was this store. Sobrang daming good fashion stuff. Nakabili ako dun ng 2 bag. What else did I buy sa Birmingham? I think that's it. Behold it. So I'ma hold you, baby. Mwah. Yes, sir. Meow. Meow. Mickey Boy, thank you. Christine, thank you. Sian Uy, thank you. You love my earrings? Me too, I love my earrings. This is from Bangkok. It's heart siya. Pimple ako. Bam! 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 On and on and on and on and on. When you're looking at me, eye candy, and a little bit longer. Candy, sweet, when you're looking at me. Ang title ng song, this one is Eye Candy from Swag 2, Justin Bieber. JB! Kamusta naman yung na-meet namin si Noel? Yes, Noel. First time we met Noel was in Dream Warrior concert with Boss. We saw Noel there and we got to chit-chat and all that. The second time we met was in Cubao. Yeah. We had dinner with Boss and Noel. Tapos pagland talaga nila, like gutom na gutom sila. And you know, pinakain namin sa kanila sisig, Filipino food, you know what I'm saying? Tapos nagustuhan nila yung sisig. Shout out Noel and Boss, we miss you guys. Yeah, we met Noel pala sa Summer Sonic S2. We watched him perform before he left. Busy guy. Sobrang busy. Boss and Noel, busy guy. And we were with Boss naman watching the main stage after our performance. Sino dito fans ni Boss and Noel? Speed race, keep checking these chickens, yeah. And I go speed racing for the record, yeah. Brain is getting better by the second. Boss Noel Siligaya. I keep creeping, speeding, yeah. Speedy. Who's your bias of Blackpink? Jennie. Like Jennie. Cat's Eye, yeah, I know Cat's Eye. What's their song? Hands Up Gabriella, right? Hands up, Gabriella. Tama ba lyrics? Hands off. Oh my god. Damn. Hands up, Gabriella pala. Hands off, Gabriella. Not hands up. My bad. I'm sorry. Rain is getting better by the second. Oh yeah. Rising. I keep creeping. Yeah. Yeah. Miles. Time is. Speed race. Keep checking these chickens. Yeah. And I go speed racing for the record. Oh yeah. Cheap and it's getting better by the second. Yeah. I keep creeping. Speed demon, yeah. Speed demon, yeah. Speed demon, yeah. Speed demon, yeah. My sister loves you the most though. I love you too, but not like she does. Hi, Shy. Shout out to your sister. Yes, tama si Lily France. If you are new to my live, we have a BGYO concert on October 4. You can get your tickets now sa ticketnet.com.ph. So this is our first ever concert. I'm a member of BGYO, hindi kayo familiar. So come join us. We will be having our first ever concert. So October 4, New Frontier Theater. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Never loved you more than I do right now. All these fears just wash away, my baby. It's like complicated. Feel this won't fade away. I do. Let's say that I do. To touch you, I do. Be the one that I choose. I do. When I say that I do. Nobody can touch you, I do. Be the one that I choose. The one that I choose. Something's going down, yeah. It's communicated now. We can make it okay. Kain lang daw si Joanne. Laing ang ulam niya. Give me some. I need that laing. Nagka-crave tuloy ako ng laing. Hey, my baby. Bili na. Order nga ako ng line. Do when I say that I do. To touch you, I do. Be the one that I choose. I do. Say that I do. Sengoku, thank you for the rose. I do. You'll always be the one that I choose. Ako si Lean Brian, thank you. Napanood nyo na ba yung performance namin sa ASAP, guys? ASAP UK. Daming legends na pumunta sa nakasama namin sa ASAP UK. It's an honor. It's an honor to share the stage. All these ladies, yep. All these ladies. And also, guys, if you're gonna stream all these ladies, make sure to also stream all these ladies' Spotify playlist. Let me double check what playlist it is. Tatak Pinoy, I think it's Tatak Pinoy playlist. Let me check. Double checking, fact check. It's important to fact check. I don't want to spread fake news, okay? Tatak Pinoy. What else? Yes, Tatak Pinoy, OPM Rising playlist, Viral Hits Philippines. Shout out Spotify. Shout out Aces. Pwede nyo stream dun yung aming single na All These Ladies para we get higher and all that. So yeah, if you're gonna stream All These Ladies, make sure to stream it also sa Viral Hits Philippines, Tatak Pinoy, Connie Asayas, and many more playlist. Just check BGYO kung ano mga playlist pa. But the biggest one is Viral Hits and Tatak Pinoy. True, Hermie, you're right. Hello, Y8518152. Thank you at nakaabot ka sa aking live. Tama, no to fake news. Right! Use your head, man. Come on. Gotta fact check. Kumain ka na? No, I haven't eaten dinner. I just got home from rehearsal. Nag-rehearse kami kanina. We're trying to prep for the concert. Super busy ako. I can't I keep forgetting to eat, but yeah, I'm doing stuff off behind the scenes, so I keep forgetting. Remind me, guys, to eat. I always eat siguro mga 11 or 12. Galing din ng dance niya ng Soda Pop, as if kayo yung original. Wow! Mas magaling pa rin original, Alright, thank you. But magandang gabi, PRXS. Am I open for acting? Yeah, I am open, but music is what I'm trying to focus on right now. Hopefully next time when I, let's see. But yeah, music is what I am focused on. Baby, pwede mo akong tawagan anytime. Oh! You know that song? "24/7". Nasa school si Ann Ferrer. May school ba ngayon? Thursday pala ngayon. Saan yung school mo? Shari, huwag ka na pumili between gumawa ng schoolworks or manood ng live ko. Gawin mo na lang both, right? When released, I don't think I'm gonna release that song. Let's see. Hello, Rika. Mindset. Thank you, Kwanya Sayas. Yvonne, thank you, Yvonne. Regional tour. Hopefully, makapag-ikot ulit kami dito sa Philippines. Siyempre, mas dumami ang aces around the Philippines, so we want to meet you guys for the first time. When comeback sa Cotabato? Let's see. Honestly, I don't know. I have no idea. But if I were you, grab your tickets now for our BGYO concert on October 4 at the New Frontier Theater. You can get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Good luck, Max, sa exam mo bukas. Ano exam mo bukas? Math ba yan? Kung math, ay nako, good luck na lang. I hate math, guys. Balik kayo this Mascara Festival. When ba ang Mascara Festival? Sana nga makapag-ikot-ikot pa kami. We still have 2 months. October. 3 months before the year ends. Hello, BGYO Studios. Yes, see you sa Solo Con and Ferrer. See you there. Pupunta friend ko sa concert nyo, balcony lang na kaya niya, sabi ni Chris. Shoutout sa friend mo who's going. See you at the concert. Birthday na daw ni Tracy sa 13. Malapit na. Happy birthday sa iyo. Hello, Aces Honey. Ayun na, pinansin na kita kahit mali spelling mo ng moko. Kilala ko na ba sino kumain ng laing ko? Lahat sila kumain nun, sure ako. Hi, Kyra. Huwag ka na magtampo, Kyra. Hello, Rare Bay. That's a rare nickname. Username, I mean. Hello, Christine. Pakurot sa pisngi. Paano kita kukurutin? My thoughts on bleaching my brows same as my... No! See? No! Doesn't look good. Look! Ganyan yung itsura niya pag bleach ko yung eyebrows ko. No. Never gonna do that. Never. Pa-headlock, pagod lang. Favorite song ni JB? Right now, gotta be Speed Demon. Yeah. Pa-help sa assignment mo. Sige! Tulungan kita sa assignment mo. Huwag mo lang ako sasihin kung bagsak ka. Kung mali-mali yung tulong ko sa'yo. Follow back daw, sabi ni Arbino Chad Otsaya. Sige, follow back kita, boss. In my mind, I see. Thank you sa sisig. Ay, nagugutom na ako. Pa-help sa floor plan. Sige, gawin natin yan. Ngayon na. Give me your assignment. Give me. Love you. Yvonne, thank you, Yvonne. Yes, stream headlines. New song out now. BGYO headlines. And of course, stream our song All These Ladies on Spotify PH's Viral Hits Philippines playlist and Tatak Pinoy playlist. Sabi ni Christine, miss na kita sobra, uwi ka na. I'm home! I'm home though. Wala, may white lady sa comment section. Love you, yeah. Jam, parang wala pa kaming iniisip na concert there in Pangasinan. But you can go to our concert sa New Frontier Theater on October 4. So you can get your tickets now. Makabili kayo tickets sa ticketnet.com.ph. October 4, concert namin. Yes, sir! Cebu. Sa buhay mo. Sabi ni Connie Asayas, my kids are watching right now. Oh, you have kids? Hello to your kids, Connie Asayas. I wanna spend it with you. Ang skincare routine ko, over and over again, people have been asking me what's my skincare routine. Simple. It's 2 steps. Sometimes it's 0 steps. First, I wash my face with water. I get my cleansing, a light cleansing cleanser, whatever you call it. Yeah. Do this. Wash with water. Get some moisturizer. Good. That's it. Plain. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I just wash with water. Yes, guilty ako done, but you know, gotta take. Yeah. And every time you don't say my name, I'm reminded of how loving you say. I know we have this moment to face. Birthday ko na tomorrow. Happy birthday! Malapit na. Ilang hours na lang? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours to go. We can do. The song title is All These Ladies by BGYO. Joke lang. It's Walking Away by JB. So, di po totoo yung tats nyo. Totoo yung tats ko. Akala nyo ba fake yung mga tattoo ko? Totoo to. Kino-concealer ko lang siya lagi. Para pag performance, doon ko tinatanggal yung concealer para makita yung mga tattoo ko. Seryoso ba? Akala nyo fake yung mga tattoo ko? Seryoso? Ba yan? Akala ko ba naman alam nyo? I ain't walking away. Don't say my name. Yvonne, thank you for the rose. Casey, yo, thank you for the rose. I know we have this. Good luck sa dance yung exam niyo tomorrow. Good luck on your dance. You can do it. Dance well. Don't be nervous. Dance your heart out. Knox. Quote that. Somebody quote that. Team, thank you. Gave you a ring. Made you a promise. I told you I'd change. Just human nature, these growing pains. Casey, yo, thank you again for the rose. Ang dami nag-send ng rose. Sun and blue. Thank you, Mai. What's up, Abby? Yeah, see you at the concert PRXS. Lilipad from Bacolod. Ay! Bacolod. We've been there thrice, I think. Solid. Shello Troy sent 50 rows. Wow. Thank you. First place. Yeah. Bird cage pala. It's okay, Kyra. Ay, paalam ko daw. Hello po, okay lang po ba manood si Kyra ng aming BGYO concert on October 4? You can get your tickets now on ticketnet.com.ph. It's gonna be fun. For sure your child is gonna have fun. And we'd be happy to see her that day. So, sana po payagan niyo po si Kyra. Ayan, send mo yun sa parents mo. Ngayon ako bang papaalam sa parents mo o sa jowa mo? Queen Style, thank you. KCO, thank you. Nagutom ako ah. Watching from UK, sabi ni Queen Stalker. Saan ka sa UK? What part in UK kayo? UK kayo. Okay kayo, UK kayo. Watching from Egypt. Talaga ba? Egypt? Next to Birmingham. Oh, okay. Close. Sunside. Pricks palang basa. My bad. I'm sorry. Pricks. Okay, pricks. Do you know how to speak Bisaya? I'm sorry, I do not know how to speak Bisaya. I only know how to speak Tagalog and English. Mandarin, I completely forgot now how. Yeah. When I close my eyes. Sabi ni Aces Honey, gusto ko na kayo makita. Yes, kita-kita tayo sa October 4 if you're free. BGYO concert, ticketnet.com.ph ang bilihan ng tickets. So, if you're free, see you there. What's my dinner? Dinner ko will probably be chicken. I'm gonna eat chicken. Balik na ako diet today. Kasi galing kami Bangkok, UK, na-stop ko yung diet. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain sa Bangkok. Like, damn. Sobrang solid pagkain doon. So yeah, I ate a lot. Gained. So now I just got back to gym today. The other day pala. Went to the gym a while ago. Now I need some protein, so yeah, I don't want to eat chicken, pero I gotta eat chicken. I gotta do it. Hello, Sese. Madami rin Iloilo Aces manonood sa concert. Shoutout to the Iloilo Aces. See you at the concert. Thank you for flying. And yeah, sana mag-enjoy kayo. Kita-kits tayo. Iloilo Aces. Si Ate JD din ay lilipad. See you, Ate JD. Comeback na ba yung black hair bossing? Yes. Bukas, magpapablock na ako. Levy the Hokage just got the number 2 gifter badge. Yo, Levy. Thank you, Levy. Salute. Thank you, Levy. Colin says, thank you. That's my baby. She's iconic. iPhone keys. Lip gloss on it. In all my days, she keeps on talking. His comedy just block it out. My baby. When sunlight turns to shadow, and it gets hard to face. Like water to a flower, baby. Now you need the rain to work out, and nothing needs to break. Don't need to pretend that you're okay. So cry on my shoulder. That's loving me. Saan ka bumili ng t-shirt mo? I bought it at Nyek. Yes, I got this at Nyek. Sabi ni E, lagi niyang pinapatugtog ang headlines para... Grabe ka naman, E. Thank you so much for streaming headlines. And I'm glad na na-enjoy mo ang headlines. And kayo guys, if mag-stream kayo ng headlines, meron din mga playlist na you can stream headlines. So check BGYO's post kung anong playlist included ang headlines. And of course, most importantly, all these ladies part po siya ng Spotify PH Viral Hits Philippines playlist. So if you're gonna listen to all these ladies, pwede nyo pakinggan sa playlist na yun. And also Tatak Pinoy playlist. So yeah. And it gets hard to face. To a flower, baby, no, you need the rain. Nothing needs to break. That you're okay. Just turn into me. Shoulder. Sinigang? Levi, Lex Yuno sent sinigang. Sinigang. Tatakam tuloy ako. Laing sinigang ang crave ko ngayon. But, I gotta eat chicken. I need the protein. Sad. Do you like ramen? Not that much. Yeah. Not really. Go, baby, go. Bias ka ng mga students. Shoutout sa students mo, Ate JD. Sana makapasa sila. Dahil ako yung bias niya. Papasayan pala. Papasayan for sure. With honors. The honored ones. If you could only use emojis to talk for a whole day, which 3 emojis would I use? Wala. Because I don't want to talk. I want silence. Batubalani said fried chicken. Okay, I like your name. How old am I? Guess my age. Guess yung age ko. I just turned 18 this year, so yeah, I just turned 18. If you guys are wondering what my age is, I just turned 18. Sino youngest sa BGYO? I am. I'm the youngest. I'm 17 years old. No. 16 actually. I'm 16 years old. I'm the youngest from BGYO. Yeah. Ang dami namang haters dito sa comment section. I just told you guys, I'm 15. Okay? Stop the hate. I'm 15. Ala, naglag. Ayun. Ayaw nyo kasi maniwala, I'm 14. Come on. Di na kayo naniniwala sa akin. And it's all I can take. And it's all I can take. Pero yeah, I lied. I'm not 15. I am 23. Damn! 23! So fast! So bilis. 23. Not young anymore. Who the hell is that? Wait, let me check. No, I'm not Mickey Gomez. You got the wrong person, bro. I'm sorry. But welcome to my life. Do you know what guapo means? I don't know. Nasi-CR na ako. That's my baby. She's iconic. That's my baby. Yun, Lex Yuno, thank you sa sisig. Nagutom na ako. Ay, yo! Yo! Yo, bro. Nagkaon ka na, love? Yeah, I think I'm gonna eat now. I gotta eat, guys. I'm hungry. So yeah, quick live lang today. Sa mga bagong pasok, sa mga viewers ngayon, if you don't know yet, my name is Mickey. I'm from BGYO. I'm a member of a Filipino boy group. And we will be having a concert on October 4. New Frontier Theater. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. It's gonna be fun. So if I were you, bil na kayo ticket. Let's have fun together. Mga bagong pasok, ako nga po pala si BGYO Mickey. Part ako ng BGYO. Meron po kaming concert sa October 4 sa New Frontier Theater. Tapos makakabili na kayo ng ticket sa ticketnet.com.ph. Yes, sir. Kita-kits tayo doon. Gutom na ako. I'm gonna eat. I hope you had fun sa short kwentuhan na to. Hangout and all that. Whatever you wanna call it. But I am extremely grateful sa inyo for joining my live stream and nakapagkwentuhan tayo. Gagawa ng schoolworks yung iba. Tama. Sa mga Friday tomorrow, may pasok tayo. May class yung iba, may work bukas. So, yeah. Let's eat. Let's rest. Still have a lot to do. See you at the concert. Kita-kits tayo sa concert. October 4. Ticketnet.com.ph. Kaya makakabili ng ticket. See you there, mga bossing. Thank you for joining my live stream. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.